Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage calls banner style on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down, tap on phone, go to notifications, and here in the banner style, just tap on it. You can set temporary or persistent. Persistent means that it stays, you need to swipe it to get rid of it. The temporary means that it's gonna sit right here for a few seconds and go away. So I'm gonna leave it at persistent. Once you have a tick next to the setting, it means that this one is set, obviously, so keep that in mind. And after you you have chosen here, just go back and it stays as you set it. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.